Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Moon Mystery Tarot. Today, we are going to do a reading about what is coming for you in December 2025. Let's see if there is any changes coming for you, any blessing or any guidance coming for you in December 2025. So, as you can see, we have three piles here. Pile number 1 with this turtle. Pile number 2 with this tree of life. And pile number 3 with this angel. टेक योर टाइम, पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड जिस पाइल से आप ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टेड फील करते हैं उस पाइल को सेलेक्ट करें. सो गो अहेड एंड चूज़ अ पाइल. आई विल मीट यू इन योर रीडिंग. हेलो, वेलकम बैक. पाइल नंबर 1. अगर आपने टर्टल सेलेक्ट किया है तो ये आपकी रीडिंग. चलिए देखते हैं क्या मैसेज आया आपके लिए. कॉन्फिडेंस इज़ योर की टू सक्सेस. सो द यूनिवर्स इज़ गिविंग यू अ मैसेज दैट अगर कुछ भी करो आप तो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ करो. अगर इफ़ यू वांट टू अचीव योर गोल दैन कॉन्फिडेंस इज़ द key. It is very important for you to focus, go slow and steady, but confidence जो है बहुत ज़रूरी है कुछ भी अचीव करने के लिए. अपने आप को कम ना समझे. डोंट belittle yourself. You need to have more passion and more power. You have to believe in yourself that you can achieve anything you want. Okay, so ये दिसंबर का मैसेज है आपके लिए. चलिए आपके लिए टैरो कार्ड निकालते हैं. What is coming for you in December 2025? Let's see. Pile number 1. What is coming for you in December 2025? What is coming for pile number 1 in 2025? Page of Sword. New idea, new opportunity, a possibility to achieve better in life. So this is a message for December 2025. Let's see what else we have. किंग ऑफ स्वर्ड्स. आपको आने वाले महीने में यही चीज़ें याद रखनी है कि आपको अपने इंटेलिजेंट के साथ चलना है. आपको कोई भी डिसीजन जो लेना है सोच समझ के लेना है. अपने इंटेलिजेंस का, अपने स्किल्स का जो है वो इस्तेमाल करना है. और मेंटल कैपेबिलिटी और इंटेलेक्चुअल थॉट स्किल्स इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द अपकमिंग मंथ. सी व्हाट एल्स वी हैव फॉर यू. Eight of Cups. Moving on to new things, accepting new things, leaving behind past. Okay, so your main goal, your main focus in the December 2025 will be what you bring for yourself. How will you present yourself? So you need to be very smart before taking any action, before taking any offer or deal, any opportunity. Let's get one more card for you. 2 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. सो आपके पास ऐसी कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी आ सकती हैं, ऐसी 2 अपॉर्चुनिटी आ सकती हैं एक्चुअली जिसके बीच में आपको डिसीजन लेना हो. सो देयर इज़ अ नीड टू मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड टेक अ चांस and decide something which is best for you. So this decision will require a lot of smartness and lot of intelligence. There could also be a need for you to leave behind an opportunity which is not suitable for you right now, and you need to choose a good path, a new direction. कोई ऐसा आइडिया है जो आप एग्जीक्यूट करना चाहते हो, इस पे आप काम करना चाहते हो, एंड यू थिंक देयर इज़ अ पॉसिबिलिटी टू अचीव समथिंग. सो दिस वाज योर रीडिंग पाइल नंबर 1. आई होप यू लाइक दिस रीडिंग. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स डाउन बिलो. आई विल मीट यू इन योर नेक्स्ट रीडिंग. बाय बाय. हेलो, वेलकम बैक. पाइल नंबर 2. अगर आपने ट्री ऑफ लाइफ सेलेक्ट किया है तो ये आपकी रीडिंग. चलिए देखते हैं क्या मैसेज है आपके लिए. ब्रिंग लव इनटू द सिचुएशन. अगर कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन है रिसेंटली आपके लाइफ में विच इज़ नॉट सॉर्टिंग आउट बाय यूजिंग योर माइंड और स्मार्टनेस, देन यू नीड टू चेंज योर वे. आपने सब ट्राई कर लिया है, सो इट्स बेटर टू चेंज थिंग्स एंड दिमाग से नहीं, दिल से सोच के देखें. हो सकता है वो चीज़ काम हो जाए. या फिर लिटरली आप लव के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, आप अपनी फैमिली एक्सपैंड करने के बारे में सोच रहे हो. यू वांट टू एक्सपैंड योर फैमिली. यू आर सीकिंग आउट फॉर अ पार्टनर, लुकिंग फॉर अ पार्टनर. ओके, यू वांट टू ब्रिंग लव इनटू योर लाइफ, अ पार्टनर इनटू योर लाइफ. तो चलिए देखते हैं टैरो कार्ड से क्या मैसेज आपके लिए. देखते हैं पाइल नंबर 2. व्हाट इज़ कमिंग फॉर पाइल नंबर 2 in December 2025? It's coming for pile number 2. It's coming for pile number 2. 6 of Pentacles. Queen of Wands, Two Wands. Let's get more cards. We have King of Pentacles. Let me just shift this for you. So pile number 2, as I said, in the upcoming month you want to expand your family. You are looking forward to bring love into the situation. You want a partner for yourself, but as I can see for you in your past connections, there was not equal balance or equal reciprocation of love and understanding. You have a fear of what if you would not find a better partner for you. You feel like you are in this trap of never finding a good partner for you, but I see a positive change coming for you. I see you coming out of that fear and that thinking of not finding a good partner. This is not true, and I see you getting a good partner for you. I see a personal growth. I see a love opportunity, a possibility coming for you very soon. And this month, which will give you the confidence that you need to go out more, to date, a very positive hope for you. So this is your sign to think more from your heart. So this is your reading, pile number 2. If you like this reading, let me know in the comments down below. I will see you in your next reading. Bye bye. Hello, welcome back, pile number 3. If you have selected this angel, then this is your reading. Let's see what we have here. A new romantic cycle begins. Okay, so pile number 3, December 2025 may be your month when loves come into your life. This person could be an air sign, Libra, Gemini. Let's see what else we have here. Pile number 3, what's coming for pile number 3? Knight of Swords. पाइल नंबर 3, जैसा कि मैंने बोला, कोई है आपकी लाइफ में एक लव ऑफर लेके आने वाला है. Love opportunity is coming for you in December 2025, which is a very good sign for you. Two of Pentacles, and you need to decide. This could be two offers coming for you. Maybe दो लोग हैं जो आपको पसंद करते हैं, and you need to decide which one you want, which is right for you, which partner is right for you. Okay. Eight of Cups. So with the Two of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups, I definitely see two person in your life. One could be your past, and one could be this Knight of Sword. New person coming into your life. This past could be the person you still like or maybe think about. Okay, or this person may want to come back in your life, and you are undecided about what you should do. You should give a chance to your past connection, or you want to give chance to this new coming connection. Okay, so this is definitely about love coming in your life in the December. And also, if you notice, this look like a Cupid, so I strongly believe this is about love. Let's get one more card for you, pile 3. Let's get one more last card for you. Five of Cups. Number 3, I see you are still grieving and sad about your past connection, and you are not sure about whether to give chance to your past connection, or you should move on and give chance to this new man coming in your life. It all depends on you. We also have the Hierophant. You could be a traditional type of person, or this could be a traditional type of person which is coming into your life. This could be an earth sign. So this is what I have for you, pile number 3. I hope you like this reading. Please let me know in the comments down below. I will see you in the next reading. Bye bye.